everybody, it's Cindy at Upcycle Design Lab. If you're new to the lab, it's a place where we make stuff out of junk mostly, but today I'm going to be using foil wrappers. This has a foil inside wrapper. A lot of different candy bars and food items that you get have that shiny foil on the inside. So I'm going to be using that and a vodka bottle to make a new chandelier for my bathroom. All right, so here's the reason for this project. The globe to this light got broken quite a while ago, and so it was time to do something about it. A while back I purchased this chandelier and I bought it for all of the jewels that were dangling off of it. You can see that it's missing quite a few of them, so it's not a suitable chandelier the way it is anymore. But I thought for this project I could actually use the frame piece. So here I'm just working to remove all of the jeweled pieces and have an empty frame. And just as a note, I'm not really doing any new techniques in this video. I'm using the foil like I did for a different project, which I'll link to in the above corner up here. You can see the shower curtain project that I made if you want more details on the actual foil discs and how they're made. And I've also done a lot of videos on fusing glass, which I'll also link to. So nothing in this video is really new. I'm just using the techniques in a different way to make a different type of project. Alright, so this is what the original design looked like after I hung it up, and I decided I couldn't see enough of the fused blue glass pieces, so I ended up cutting off one of the silver discs off of each of the dangle pieces. So that's it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you'll tune in next time to see what else we can make out of trash, cast-off items, and other unwanted things.